So I'm in Arkansas right now. You're in Texas still?
Yeah. Just.
How do your rights change? Can you vote? Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, yeah, so, yeah, we just parked right there. This post office courthouse combo thing. How's that? Anyway, details. Yeah, state line goes right through the middle. So these guys have to pay more tax. No, I'm just joking. I don't know who pays more taxes.
They do a jumping jack or something. Beautiful.
Oh, there you go. More information. Yeah, they gotta get their mail in. Okay, here's the other side. There's the Arkansas welcome sign. There's a monument. The Korean and Vietnam War. We're finding random stones that you can pick up or leave.
Yeah, look. This one.
BOW.
How?
MIA.
I
I don't know. And yeah, there's the same building from the other side. Pretty cool stuff.